In the third episode, the problem 2.61 for the cables, chapter 2 for the cables of problem 2.48 previous problem. It is known the maximum allowable tension is 600 Newton in the cable AC and 750 Newton in the cable DC. Determine the maximum force P that can be applied at C. Here the force P is here and that is connected to C, that is applied at C, and question B the corresponding value of alpha, that is alpha it has to be it has to measure, and the solution is the free body diagram and force triangle, law of cosines and law of sines. Problem 2.62. A movable beam and its contents have a combined weight of 2.8 kilonewton. Determine the shortest chain link ACB that can be used to lift the loaded beam if the tension in the chain is not to exceed 5 kilonewton. The solution is free body diagram and the force triangle. And problem 2.63, that is and free body diagram, force triangle. It is very easy question. Next problem 2.64, same problem, free body diagram, force triangle is needed, and the law of sines is applied. Problem 2.65, three forces are applied at a bracket as shown, that is bracket and in the direction of 2 is to 150 Newton forces. 150 Newton forces may vary, but the angle between this force is always 50-100. Determine the range of values of alpha for which the magnitude of the resultant of the force acting at A is less than 600. The solution is the free body diagram. That is the solution. Problem 2.66. A 200 kg crate is to be supported by the rope and pulley arrangement shown. Determine the magnitude and direction of the force P that must be exerted on the free end of the rope is to maintain equilibrium. That can be provided by the methods of chapter 4. That is solution. Next problem is very important. 2.67. A 600 lb crate is supported by several rope and pulley arrangement as shown. Determine for each arrangement of the tension in the rope. Each arrangement, determine this arrangement, the tension in the rope. Here is T, 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 and next T. And the solution is free body diagram of the pulley. All the question is solved. And next question, similar question, problem 2.68, and the solution is here. 2.69. Next problem, a load Q is applied to the pulley C, which can roll on the cable ACB. The pulley is held in the position shown by a second cable CAD, which passes over the pulley A and supports a load P. Knowing that P equals to 750 Newton, determine the tension in cable ACB and magnitude of load Q. And the solution is here, the free body diagram, and the Q is 2220 Newton. Next problem 2.70, similar problem, and the solution is here. Problem 2.71, it's different. Determine a the xy has x and y and z component of the 900 Newton force. 900 Newton force is here, and angle theta x, theta y, and theta z, and the force found with the coordinate axis. It is the question, and the solution is, that is free body diagram, and all the components is solved. Problem 2.72, similar question. The solution is, it is solved that similar way like previous question. And problem 2.73, a gun is aimed at a point A located 35 degrees of north. Knowing that the barrel of the gun forms an angle of 40 degrees with the horizontal and that the maximum recoil force is 400 Newton. Determine A, the XYZ components of the force, the value of the angles theta x, theta y, and theta z, defining the direction of the recoil force. That is the solution. Next problem 2.74, same problem like 2.73. The solution is, 2.75. Next problem, cable AB is 65 feet long and the tension in that cable is 3900 lb. Determine the XYZ components of the force exerted by the cable on another B. The angle x, theta y, and theta z, defining the direction of that force. The solution is the free body diagram, and all the components is solved. Next problem 2.776, the same problem, and the solution is here. Next problem 2.77, similar problem, solution, all the components is measured. 2.78, almost similar question previous two questions, and the solution is here. Next problem 2.79, determine the magnitude and direction of the force if this is vector form of a force, and the solution is F, magnitude and direction. That is very easy question, intermediate level. Determine the magnitude, direction, same question, magnitude and direction, both axis x, y, and z axis. 2.81, a force acts at the origin of a coordinate system in a direction defined by the angle theta x 75, theta z 130, and knowing that the y component of the force is 300 lb. Determine the angle theta y. Very easy question, and the solution is here. Next question, problem 2.82, almost similar question. Problem 2.83, it is also similar question. The solution is here. Next problem 2.84, that is also similar. That is 2.85, very interesting problem. In order to move a wicket track, two cables are attached at A and pulled by winches B and C as shown. Knowing that the tension in cable AB is 2 kIPS. Determine the components of the force exerted at A by the cable. The solution is here. Problem 2.86. Similar problem. The solution is here. Next problem 2.87. Knowing that the tension in cable AB is 1425 Newton, determine the components of the force exerted on the plate at B. That is the question. Here is needed a free body diagram. Problem 2.88. Knowing that the tension in cable AC is 2130 Newton. Similar question and the solution is here. Next problem 2.89. That is the solution. Problem 2.90. That is also very easy question. The solution is here. Problem 2.91. And the solution is here. Problem 2.92. 2.93. বরাবর 20,000 দিলে তো